Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from the Summer Editors Box from FabFitFun. Yay! Let's see what's inside. Brochure / magazine, FabFitFun right there. Look at that beautiful cover right there. I love it. They look like they're having a blast. Summer your way, summer is here. The hobby you should try based on your zodiac and women making waves. Love it. It's always nice to see people having the time of their life and looking like they're having fun. I see we have stickers. Lovely. And without further ado, here we go. The first thing I have here is from Zoe Isla, and this is a rose quartz facial roller and silky sleep mask. Now, I've gotten sleep rollers before. You may or may not know how I feel about this. I wrote up and researched a bit of an article that I put on my blog, which is still up. I'll probably put the link somewhere here in the description box in case you would like to check out my feelings towards these sort of makeup tools like these jade rollers, which this is a rose quartz one. I don't know. There are questions regarding, are they responsibly sourced? Are they real rose quartz or jade? Just some things to think about. Otherwise, I find this rather gimmicky, but it's cute. And I know people close to me who like things like this, so I'll probably send this to them as a gift. But that's what it looks like. That's one. The next thing on here is from Tula. Love this brand. This is Tulip Skincare, and this is their Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel. Yes, sunscreen. Base Spectrum SPF 30. Lovely. This is balanced skincare. Love, love, love. I will definitely be using for the summer. Hopefully I'll get some sun before the summer is over. So it's probiotics and superfoods. Love, love, love. And this is the packaging right here. I'm assuming this is full size. Let's see. Let's put a little here. I want to say they smells like lemons. That would be so fantastic if it smelled like lemons. But this is what it looks like, and it is on a yellow side, the tinge. I definitely smell the sunscreen. It smells like summer. But no, it doesn't have a lemon scent. That would have been so cool if it had. Darn it. But definitely smells like summer. The next thing I have here is from Ahava. Ooh, and this is their Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. Perfect for the summer. Love, love, love. I tell you. And I know Ahava is not cheap, so I can imagine how much the price tag is. Again, I will post them here. So if you don't see me reacting right away, it's because I haven't looked to see what the price tag is, but you'll see what I mean. So it comes with one of these, an information thing, and it's clear. Oh, okay, so it doesn't, maybe it's not an official, it's a mud mask, or maybe it's not, maybe it's transparent, I don't know. Let us see. No, it kind of, let's see. No, it definitely feels like mud. Okay. So that's how it looks. You can see that. And then I will, oh yeah. And then with the sunscreen, it smells like summer. But yeah, that's okay. And it has a little bit of a grit, believe it or not. But it's very mild. It's like very fine. All right, the next thing I have here is from Grown Alchemist. I like their brand. It smells very natural. It doesn't smell like fruity or cakey and all that. It smells very of the earth. This is their body cleanser. I've gotten this before. I actually like it. So I'm glad to have gotten a second bottle of this. I am putting this in my summer rotation. Love it. Okay, what's the next thing in here? Ooh. Oh, okay. I'm not sure. That Fruit Veg Glow from Daily Harvest. I guess it's a subscription if I want that. This is from Kayo, K-A-Y-O, and this is their body scrubber. Cool, nice. I mean, this is stuff that definitely comes in handy for the summer. So let's see what it looks like inside. Ooh, feels like kind of like silicone-y. I don't know how I feel about this. This is a body scrubber. This is what we've come to. That we actually take one of these that we use. It's sort of like that material you use for like hot pots or, yeah. That's so, and it has little teeth. You see the teeth? That is so interesting. I don't know how I feel about this, but it's interesting. It's interesting. I'm not gonna say no to it. All right. Oh, what's this? Ooh. Caja Seamless Bralette in Rose Blush XL. Okay, now you know what size I am, a large. So this is like a bralette. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, just so you can see, this is really cute. Has like a little like design here on the side. It's so cute. I don't know if I could wear this because I'm a pretty big girl and my breasts have weight to them, but I will try it out. I won't feature it here, sorry, but clothing. Yeah, once in a while they come out with something FabFitFun, you know, that it could be. This box was curated for me. I don't think I picked any of the stuff in here out, but there's one more thing in here that looks fairly exciting. Wow. And this is from Material. What is this? Oh, these have 2 glass containers with wood lids. Ooh, tongue is like loose today. I don't know what's going on. Let's see. Okay. It's cute so far. Oh, okay. I'd be really careful with these because this is glass, but you see it? Okay. Let's open it. So there's 2 of these in this box, and this is what they look like. And that's the lid. It has like a little rubber piece to keep it airtight. So I guess you could put like food in here, or I don't know, I guess you could put different things. And FabFitFun just comes through once again with an eclectic selection of skincare and products for the home. I am over the moon. I think the thing that I like the most is, of course, the skincare, and of course this lovely, something that is useful that I can definitely use for the home, which I love. The surprise was the bralette, as well as the rose quartz gimmick thing. So those are surprises, but that's what I love about FabFitFun. They always come with something interesting to offer. And from what I understand, all of these products that I've shown you are female-owned, female-fronted brands. So please, by all means, if you haven't checked out FabFitFun, why haven't you? Please do. FabFitFun is all over the internet. It's on YouTube. They have a channel where you could get like $10 off your very first box if you've never ever subscribed to FabFitFun. I have a code as well. I don't get anything for it, but it's just a nice introductory present to give to my subscribers. So let me know in the comments below whether you would like that code to use, and that you are a first time ever subscriber to FabFitFun, because if you are, then definitely the very first box, you will definitely get $10 off. And I think it's worth it to simply try the box. Thank you for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, this time with FabFitFun's Summer Editor Box. And I will list all the pricings and the value of the box as well throughout this video. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be out. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your summer, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.